Welcome to Time Travel Tuesday, where today we will be making a breakfast sausage pie. You're first going to want to start by cooking some sausage. You're going to want to boil some potatoes. Once you've pulled out your potatoes, it will be time to peel them. Now that you've peeled your potatoes, it's time to make them thinly sliced. When it comes time to start your filling, you're going to want to start by cracking some eggs. Once you have those in there, you're then going to take, this is the historical way of saying it, an amount of heavy cream, and you will want to mix well. Once that has been nicely stirred, it will be time to add in the rest of the filling. Start with sausage, your seasonings, salt and pepper, you will then want to take your nice assortment of cutted potato bits and add those to your filling. For the crust, we're going to need leaf lard, flour, and water. Leaf lard is a special kind of lard that comes from the inside of the pig's belly. It's said to make really good crusts and pastries when properly rendered down from the fat. Once you've finally made your crust, it will be time to apply it to the pie. Once you have it prepped, it's time to go into your oven. Once it's in there, close the oven and put coals on the top. This is how the pie is for now. It's not quite done yet, but I'll put it back in the oven. Thank you for joining us at Historic Brattonsville for this Time Travel Tuesday. Come out and see what else we're cooking.